Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup look is using all cream and liquid products. I wanted to do this for you because I've never done anything like this on my channel, and I thought it was a fun little mix-up rather than using powders and brushes, especially if you're traveling or you're on the go. This is a really quick and easy, healthy, glowy, natural look. So if you guys want to see how I did my makeup, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start with putting my hair behind my ears. I feel like my hair has become so thick lately. Hoping it doesn't fall out too much after the baby is born. That's what I've heard, but hopefully that doesn't happen. Also, these earrings are so fun. It's like a fun pop of turquoise for spring that's hopefully just around the corner, but I got them from Betty and Biddy, which I'll just link them down below for you guys. So, all cream / liquid products. I'm going to try out this new foundation from NARS. It is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. It says shake well, and it actually says to apply with your hands. It's best applied with your hands, so we're gonna do that. This is in the shade Fiji. I received 3 shades, Fiji, Punjab, and what is the darkest one? Patagonia. So I'm gonna go with Fiji just because I have no fake tan on at the moment, and hopefully this matches. I'm not sure how many pumps you're supposed to do, but let's start off with 2. Oh yeah, this looks like it's a good color. It's a lot creamier than I thought. I thought it was gonna be more like watery for some reason, but feels nice on the skin, very lightweight. You guys know I've been wearing my By Terry Cellulose CC serum and just a bit of concealer, so this is a nice treat to have some more full coverage on my face. That feels really nice on the skin, but I am going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just put this under my eyes and just on areas that have like a little bit of redness coming through, like where I have scars. I feel like the foundation didn't cover that. I could probably put more on, but I don't want to cake up my face, so I'd rather just use concealer to cover any redness that I have. So just a little there, around my chin, nose, and then I have a scar up here. Yeah, I like that foundation. It's very lightweight on the skin. It is buildable, but I prefer a more light coverage look at the moment. But you could definitely go in and put a little bit more on if you want a little bit more medium coverage, and it will definitely cover. It's not going to be full coverage whatsoever. It's very radiant on the skin. I feel very glossy and healthy. Because I'm not using any powders, hopefully it doesn't get too oily throughout the day. Maybe keep that in mind if you do have very oily skin. You might want to set this foundation just so that it doesn't slide around. Obviously, we're going in with my favorite cream bronzer product, which is the Chanel Universal Soleil Bronzer. I love this stuff, you guys know that. I'm just going to use it on my beauty sponge right here and pop it in all the areas I would contour / bronze. It just seamlessly goes on, like so perfectly. It's the best formula for a cream bronzer. Honestly, love this stuff, so into it. But moving on to blush, I'm taking this Lancome cream blush in the shade, ooh, where's the shade? Rendezvous A Paris, or 05 if it's a little bit easier to find. It's really pretty, kind of like a bright berry color. I'm going to find a space on my beauty sponge that doesn't have any product on it, and we're just going to pop this on. It is very pigmented, so little goes a long way. I'm just going to blend this in. The thing with using like all creamy like liquid products, everything just blends so beautifully into each other, whereas if I was using powder right now, it would kind of drag on top of all the cream that we just used. For everything at the moment, it's just like melting into each other and it looks so much like skin. I just think it's the most natural looking base that you could achieve. Now moving on to highlighter, this is where you can go a little bit more crazy because I find liquid or cream highlighters are never as intense as a powder highlighter. So I'm going to take this NARS Hot Sand Illuminator. It's a little bit of a peachy shade, so I'm going to actually mix it in with this iconic London Illuminator, and I think it's just the original one. This is highly pigmented, like very metallic, so I'm only going to take a very small amount and just mix that all together. This is probably too much to be fair, but that's okay. And I'm just going to put it on my beauty sponge and just go to town. Ooh, yeah, that's really pretty. Just so healthy and dewy looking. That's what I love about cream highlighters, is that it just makes your skin look like radiant. It's not too, like, it doesn't stay on top of your skin as a powder highlighter would do. Don't get me wrong, I do love powder highlighters, but if you just want that like glow from within vibe, you're gonna get that from a cream highlighter. For brows, I'm going to use my Glossier Boy Brow in the shade brown, medium? Yeah, brown. And because I don't have a liquid or cream brow product that I'm using at the moment, I actually really enjoyed this one. I'm just going to put this throughout my brows, and it gives definition, and it definitely has like a little bit of a tint to it. And it also just keeps them in place all day. I actually prefer the darker shade in this product just because I find it shows every single brow hair that you have. So if you're like myself, and I don't mind the shape of my brows, I just find that I have like thinner brow hairs, if that makes sense. So this just gives the illusion that you have a lot more brow hair than you actually do. Sweet, moving on to eyes, I'm keeping it really simple and neutral. I'm going to use these two cream eyeshadow sticks. This one is by Terry, and it's the Ombre Black Star, and the shade is Frozen Quartz, number 6. And then I'm also going to go in with this NudeStix one, and this is in the shade Angel. Really beautiful, light, goldish color. And then this one has a little bit more of a mauve-y taupe undertone. You can see there, I don't know if it's too bright out, but I'm going to take the darker one and put this all over my eyelid just for some more definition. These cream eyeshadow sticks are so easy and handy to do, especially if you're on the go and you want to have a little bit of an eye look. This is the fastest way to kind of get something on your eyes without spending all that time with a powder and blending it out. Also, I find these two brands, this doesn't crease on me, and a lot of creamy products on my eyes would crease normally, so that's why I'm using these, because I don't find personally that they crease on my eyelid. I'm also going to put this on my lower lash line for some definition. I think that's so pretty. I'm going to go in with Angel now and pop that in the inner corner since it's a lot brighter, and it's just going to open up my eyes a little bit more. I'm also going to pop this on my brow bone as well, just to lift it, just a very small amount. Okay, you guys know I have lash extensions, so I'm skipping mascara and I'm just going to brush through my lash extensions so they're all spread out nice and even. But this is where you can go in with your favorite mascara and do a couple of coats. Now moving on to lips, I'm taking my Maybelline Color Sensational lip liner, and this is in the shade 10 Nude Whisper. And then on top of that, I'm taking my NudeStix Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in the shade Entice. To finish the look off, I'm going to take a little bit of my Skindinavia setting spray, and this is just going to make sure it all stays in place, which is crucial because it is a lot of cream and liquid products. So this is the makeup using all cream and liquid products. Super fast and convenient, especially if you're traveling and you don't want to take a whole bunch of brushes and powder products. I feel like this is ideal for convenience, and if you're on the go but you want to look together and really have healthy looking skin, this would definitely be my go-to look. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.